Hey everybody, it's Justin with Neatly Detailing, and today I'm going to bring to you a video showing a couple of different wheel cleaners. So we're going to put these up to the test, and we're going to start with a SONAX Wheel Cleaner Full Effect. This is my go-to. I use it all the time. The other is going to be Carfidant Ultimate Wheel Cleaner. I've never used this one before, so I'm going to start with spraying it directly on the surface. I'm going to let them dwell 5 minutes, and then we'll see how this looks. And after that, I'll of course finish up the wheels by scrubbing them and whatnot, but I want to see how they work without scrubbing at all. So stay tuned, let's do this. You're looking at the wheels on a 2014 GS350, and they are absolutely filthy. So as you can see, there's a ton of brake dust on this wheel here. This is the front, there's the back, and the entire vehicle is filthy. However, focusing on the wheels, they're really bad. So this is the passenger side, and then here's the driver's side. And as you can see, they're really bad. So we will spray the product on the surface. I'm gonna time it for 5 minutes, then we're gonna spray it off. Okay, first up is the SONAX. I put it directly into this bottle here. It's a CarPro bottle. They are fantastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the wheel completely, then we're going to let it dwell for 5 minutes, and we're just going to spray it off. One note, these have been ceramic coated, so we'll see how much that plays into how the road dust comes off of here. But just to put it into perspective, that's how dirty they are. So pretty bad. All right, let's do this. Okay, now we set the time. So reading the Carfidant wheel cleaner, it says only 1 to 2 minutes, so that's what we're going to do with the SONAX as well. So it's been a couple minutes. We're going to go ahead and rinse it off. Excellent job. It took everything right off of there. There's absolutely no anything left on there. Okay, so there is a little bit, but really very little. Okay, now for the Carfidant. All right, let's try this. Now we'll let it dwell for a couple of minutes. One thing I will say is that I'm not fond of the spray bottle at all. It's very, I'm going to say it's cheaply made. The nozzle's terrible. It doesn't spray very well. So I would probably, if I'm going to use this in the future, I'd probably pick up a CarPro or some other type of bottle that sprays a little better. Okay, so looking at it, it is way dirtier still. It's kind of hard to see up in here, but yeah, it's still covered in grime. Definitely nowhere near this. I would say it's pretty clear what's going on here. Let's take some more of this Carfidant. Let's spray it down. Let's see if a second application. See if that helps it. This doesn't take it off, we're gonna follow it up with SONAX. Same thing, we'll give it 2 minutes. So the one thing I'm not noticing is any kind of dirt visible on kind of the dripping areas. Okay. Let's go ahead and rinse it down, let's see what we got. So yeah, there's still all kinds of dirt and junk kind of stuck everywhere. So let's follow it up with SONAX. See what happens. Okay, and we'll do the same thing, we'll let it dwell. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's still pretty dirty, and I'm wondering if using the Carfidant first, it's almost like it etched the surface a little bit, potentially. So based on the initial test, I would definitely say you can see a lot more dirt coming off with the SONAX versus the Carfidant, like a lot more. To be fair, there's iron removers in SONAX, so I would expect it to do better. Yeah, as far as the Carfidant goes, I would say it's pretty basic. Doesn't have a lot of heavy detergents, I don't think, and it definitely needs to be scrubbed to be effective. So not a bad product. I'll probably use it again for sure on dirtier wheels like this. I'm going to be using the SONAX. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day or great night, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care and keep it neat.